Docker tutorial in 2025. Here's why US dev teams use containers. So Docker is a containerization platform that allows US development teams to package applications and dependencies into portable, lightweight containers for consistent deployment across environments. So before we start, let's talk about its pros though. It offers environment consistency, lightweight and portable, supports CI and CD pipelines, and wide ecosystem. It also has a resource efficiency which shares the host OS kernel, reducing overhead compared to traditional virtual machines. So here's what containers are. So the industry standard today is to use virtual machines to run software applications. So VMs run applications inside a guest operating system, which runs on the virtual hardware powered by the server's host or the OS. And VMs are great at providing full process isolation for applications. So basically, these are very few ways a problem in the host operating systems can affect the software running in the guest operating systems, and vice versa. And this isolation comes at a great cost. The computational overhead spent virtualizing hardware for a guest OS to use is substantial. And then containers take a different approach. By leveraging the low-level machines of the host operating system, containers provide most of the associations of virtual machines at a fraction of the computing power. So why should you use containers? Because it offers a logical packaging mechanism in which applications can be abstracted from the environment in which they actually run. This decoupling allows the container-based applications to be deployed easily and consistent. So here's its cons though. It has a learning curve, security considerations, complex orchestrations, and it is also persistent with the storage challenges. So overall, it is a cornerstone for technology for US development teams looking to ensure consistency deployments and efficient resource usage. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications